On this video, I'm going to reproduce the pixie style of SHINYA Kogami. To do this haircut, we're going to be doing a section all around the perimeter to separate the interior part of it from the perimeter part of it. It's very clear on this style that the bangs area is very prominent, but those sideburns are the killers. So first I'm going to start by designing those sideburns, and they are very long and they are pretty thick as well too. After I'm done with the sideburns, I'm going to be cutting the bangs. Now I want to cut these bangs into a point, so I'm going to leave the point center a little longer, and then I'm going to be cutting from short to long in this area. To connect your bangs with the length of your sideburns, using the razor, I will cut from the top to the bottom. The hair on the nape area is a little bit longer and wispy, so use the razor and the freeform cutting technique to design the whole perimeter area on the nape area. To add some layers on the sideburns, you can use the traditional technique with the razor, holding the hair with the fingers and cutting on top of the fingers, as you can see me doing here. Once the hair is done on the perimeter, I'm going to be working on the interior layer, starting first on the back, doing a graduation using the thinning shears on this case. You can tell the angle I'm using with my combs, it matches the same angle as you can see on the picture. To cut this particular area, you could have used the razor as well if you wanted, or the shears point cutting, but with the thinning shears you can see a different technique that's going to give a more wispy finish. I will continue using the same technique, using this guide as a reference, and go from here short to long on the top of the head. To soften the white line on this area, I'm going to lift the hair a little higher and cut the corner off. To make sure that the hair spikes all around the head, I'm going to be using a neutral angle on this section of the octagon to cut in this angle. Use your texturizing shear with the thicker teeth to tailor the style. Once the hair is dry and styled, you can use the razor to detail the bangs on the perimeter area. If your hair doesn't get straight on its own, you can use the flat iron to give it the shape and direction that you want. As always, use unlimited hairspray if you need it on your tips so you can get those points exactly how you want it. And here you have the 360 view of this hairstyle. Hope you love it!